Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please hit the red subscribe button below and the tiny little bell icon just beside the subscribe button so that you get notified when I upload my next video. So today I am going to tell you about my monsoon hair care routine. For that I have to tell you a few steps or what you should do and what you should not do, right? So the first thing is oiling. You have to oil almost twice or thrice a week. I generally use castor oil on my hair. So I'm going to use a clip of how I do that just here. On this bowl I have taken out this much of castor oil. I am using this pure and sure castor oil. You can see I have almost finished it up. I am going to mix some aloe vera gel on that castor oil, and with a spoon I am going to stir them together. Just instantly this will be a consistency like this. Just mix them well and with your hand apply it on your scalp. It will be like a pre-conditioner for your hair, and what is left after massaging, what is left, just apply that on the strands like this, on the strands. So yeah, that's what I do for my oiling part, and then I will just keep it for like 2 hours. And then I'll shampoo it with my shampoo. So the next thing I do is a hair mask. For my hair mask I use henna, neem powder and some castor oil. Neem prevents scalp infection due to getting drenched in rainwater. That is why in monsoon I prefer mixing neem powder with henna. I am taking adequate amount of henna powder or mehendi powder on a plastic bowl, because plastic do not react with this henna powder. Otherwise steel bowl will react with henna powder. You can also use glass bowl. So yeah, this is I think enough for my hair. Now I am adding just a half spoon of neem powder to avoid scalp infections. Okay, adding a bit more. Now adding water. And using a wooden spoon, I am going to make a paste for my hair. I will keep this paste overnight and I will use it in the morning. So this is the morning. So I'm going to take this henna paste that I made last night and I'm going to apply this on my hair. This may stain your hands a little bit, but don't worry. I mean, we can do this for our hair, right? Wear a really old t-shirt like this, what I am wearing, or else that is going to ruin at first. Now take up the strands and apply henna on your strands too. It will make your hair healthy and just pre-condition your hair. It will stain your hand, okay, but don't be afraid. I can understand this looks really gross, but trust me, this is so effective. I love to apply this. We are done. I'm going to stay like this for 2-3 hours and then I'll wash this off. But I will wash my hands off very soon. I prefer using the hair mask once a week and the hair oil like castor oil twice a week. And after oiling or applying the hair mask, what you need to do is shampooing. For shampoo, I use this Herbal Essence Bio Renew, especially the strawberry variant, and the same variant of conditioner. I love this shampoo and I'm using this for like a year, and it cleanses my hair thoroughly. I love this shampoo. After doing the shampoo, you need to apply some hair serum on at the lower ends of your hair. In the lockdown, I did not buy a lot of things from Nykaa due to safety reasons and all. So I'm doing with whatever I have at my hand. So I'm using this leave-on serum. You can also use the Strix one or whatever you use generally at the ends of your hair. So that is up to shampooing. And when you are drying your hair, just try to towel dry, not like this. What we do, take the towel and do this, but don't do that. Just towel dry this or wrap the towel around your hair and just keep it for 5 or 6 minutes and then leave it. And try to air dry your hair. Do not use blow dryer, because whenever you are taking care of your hair, blow dryer will give you some extra heat damage which we don't want. In rainy season we already tend to lose a lot of hair, so we don't need any extra hair damage. So try avoiding blow dryers. And if you want to see some hair growth and castor oil do not work for you, I will suggest you to just take out the juice of one onion and just spray it on your face or directly massage it on your scalp. Do whatever you prefer. I will suggest you to use the raw onion juice on your scalp rather than some onion oil, because they have very less amount of onion in it. So if you want to see like a drastic change within 1 or 2 weeks, use raw onion juice. So guys, this is the onion juice I have kept in a spray bottle. You can see this is the juice of one onion, and I just take it and spray it on my scalp, mainly where I have less hair, like this, and massage it. That's it. That's what you have to do. That's all. And lastly, what I am going to suggest you, do not spa. Do not spa your hair in monsoon season, especially if you have like oily scalp like me. That will make your hair even like easy to break from the root. So I'll suggest you not to hair spa, like avoid hair spa in monsoon. So that's all the suggestions or the hair cares I do for my hair, and I'll suggest you to do the same. So if you like this suggestions I have given you, please like this video and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you soon in my next video.